Our habanero has yielded a third harvest within a year. That thing must be on steroids.
No, it's the Greek good weather.
Which is why I moved down here.
Oh, there you have it.
We have dehydrated them on the smoker. We have made hot sauce.
Hot sauce!
So now it's pickling time. We want to cut them into slices like this thickness here. Get rid of the tops, like that. Obviously, I have washed and rinsed them. Ooh, they smell good, actually. Very strong. This is going to be spicy. That was the last. And now we want to put it into a mason jar here that we have sanitized with boiling water before. So we just pack them all in here.
You didn't use gloves today to cut all these chilies.
Oh, it's only chili oil, it doesn't matter. It's okay.
Yeah, you're not touching me with these hands today.
I promise.
Okay.
No, I have to be careful with that and wash them really thoroughly because you don't want to touch any sensitive parts like your eyes or even worse.
Your wife?
Yeah, your wife, that's a sensitive part.
Very.
It fitted perfectly in the jar. Huh? Eye measurement is good. And now we move on with the pickling brine, which is very simple, very basic. In a small pot, medium heat, we're going to add 400 milliliter of water, 400 milliliter of white distilled vinegar, a tablespoon of palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can use brown sugar, but be careful with palm sugar, it's much sweeter, so you only want to add like a tablespoon, not more. Tablespoon of red peppercorn, tablespoon of sea salt, and 3 to 4 bay leaves. And now we bring this to a boil. This is ready. All that's left to do is pour this over our chilies. I want to get all the good stuff in here, the bay leaves, peppercorns, and you want to fill it all the way up, much as you can. There we go. And then you want to close it immediately, let the steam come a little bit, and then once you close it, once it cools down, it will vacuum seal itself, and then it can go in the fridge.
When this gonna be ready? Pickled,
I mean, after a couple of days, they're good to eat, but if you give it a week, it's better. And it will be, let's say, shelf stable in your fridge for 3 to 4 months.